Is software testing is a good career in the future? Can I start my career as a software testing engineer in the future? Is this really worth to start career as a software testing engineer? So these kind of questions are rising every day from the candidates. So I'm going to clear all your doubts in this session. So before moving to the main topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. And also one more good news for all of our YouTube subscribers. So I'm going to upload full course tutorials like Java, Python, Git, Selenium automation testing, software testing courses, and manual testing courses, and also Power BI. Okay, so let's come back to the main topic. Is software testing is a good career in the future? My answer is yes, 100% software testing career is a very good career in the future also. No doubt in that. I will tell you one simple reason why software testing career is undoubtedly you can start. I will tell you one reason. So you know very well about SDLC, software development lifecycle process. So in that software development lifecycle, there is a certain phase is there, that is a testing phase. Without testing the product, how you can deliver that product into the market? So without testing any product or application, if you deliver the product into the market, it may not work properly, and your business will go down immediately if you found a number of bugs, number of errors in your product or software application. And also I will tell you few reasons of why software testing career is very good in the future. In India, around 1 lakh testing professionals are working in IT organizations, and also about 10,000 testing professionals getting 25,000 package as well. So you might have any education qualification. You might have BCom or BCA or BSc or MCA or MTech or BTech, anyone. Any education qualification is eligible to do software testing course. Only required your time and dedication. That's it. Okay, so you can start your testing career as a manual test engineer. Slowly you can become a automation test engineer. So after 5 years of professional experience, you can become a test lead. Yes, after getting more professional experience in the testing environment, you can become a scrum master as well. Okay, there are a lot of growth is there in the testing software field. Okay, so if you are very strong in coding, then I recommend you can become a software developer. So if you are not that much depth experience in coding, then better to choose a software testing career. And also software testing is the best choice for entry level in the IT companies. Okay, you can start as a manual test engineer, and then automation test engineer, and also you can learn web service testing or API testing. Okay, and then you can learn mobile testing. If you keep learning all the testing tools, then you definitely get good package in the future also. So my conclusion words are software testing is a good career choice in the future also. I have already uploaded many videos related to software testing videos, like how to become a software test engineer and what are the main skills are required to become a software test engineer. Okay, what is the best way to learn Selenium? Okay, how to crack Selenium entry questions? Okay, what are the most common asked entry questions for automation test engineer? There are more and more videos are there related to software testing videos. Just go through in our playlist, you can find more videos related to software testing tutorials. Okay, so that's all from my end. So we'll meet with one more useful content videos. Thank you very much.